may I assist you today?
Hello, good afternoon. I would like to check in, please.
Surely, ma'am. Have you done your reservation process or are you a walk-in guest?
Yes. Under my name, Karina Cruz.
That's great, ma'am. Do you have your booking information, ma'am?
Yes.
Can I please see it? Okay, ma'am. And also, can I request for immediate information card? Your debit card, please. Thank you. Okay, ma'am. Please give me a minute as I check the service for your reservation. Okay, thank you for patiently waiting, ma'am. Upon checking in our system, there is a confirmed booking reservation under the name of Miss Karina Cruz. To reserve a standard room with a single bed and an handsome view, good for 3 nights, starting today, April 29 until May 1st, 2025. Your room will be facing at the sea view as you requested, and also you asked to be included with a newly modified American flag. Your bills will be settled via cash. Are all this information correct, Miss Cruz?
Yes. That's exactly what I do.
Okay. So while prepare for your receipt, can you please sign this registration form and also double check all the information related here?
Sure. Welcome. All the information is correct.
Okay, thank you, Ms. Cruz. So here is your receipt. And this is also your valid ID. So I've got you all checked in, ma'am. So here is your key card. Your room number will be room 308, located at 3rd floor, left side.
Okay, thank you. May I ask what time is the breakfast?
The breakfast meal will be available from 6 a.m. until 10:30 a.m.
Okay, thank you for that information.
Is there anything else I can assist you with?
I think for now, no.
Okay, please give me a moment as I call the call service for you.
It's okay. You can handle the lobby.
Okay, thank you, Ms. Cruz. So if you have any concerns, please don't hesitate to call us. Just press 0 to connect to the reception desk. We'll be happy to help. Have a nice day, Ms. Cruz, and we hope you will enjoy your stay with us.
Thank you so much. See you around.
My pleasure. See you around, ma'am.
Mabuhay. Welcome to beautiful hotel. How can I assist you?
Good morning. I would like to check out, please.
Certainly, ma'am. May I know your name and your room number, please?
My name is Karina Cruz, room 308.
Please have a seat, ma'am. Please give me a moment to check your account and also to inform our department about your check. Hello, good morning. Room 308 checkout, please. Thank you. So, by the way, ma'am, how was your stay?
It was one of the best.
Thank you for your feedback, ma'am. I'm glad that you enjoyed your stay. Alright, upon checking, we don't have any mail, faxes, and messages. Also, you don't have anything valuable left in your room and safety deposit box. So, here's your bill. These are your remaining incidentals upon availing our room services, restaurants, and mini bars. With regards to these charges, is charge your personal account. So, before we proceed to any checkout process, can you review your guest for me, please? Thank you, ma'am. May I have the payment amounting of 24,985 pesos.
Here.
Thank you for your payment, Ms. Cruz. I received the exact amount. May we ask for your signature here, please? Thank you so much, ma'am. We're almost done. Lastly, may I ask for the key card, please?
Yes. Here. Thank you for excellent service during my stay.
Thank you so much, ma'am. It is also an honor and pleasure to have you here. Thank you for choosing Beautiful Hotel. We're looking forward to see you again.
Thank you, ma'am. See you again.